Welcome back, guys, to the Guytarian channel. This week, we're learning how to make vegan meat pies, one of my favorite treats at recess in high school. It's made with nutritious red lentils, shiitake and portobello mushrooms, crustafins, lots of seasoning and spices. So now we're chopping our shiitake mushrooms. Again, you don't have to be perfect. You can chop them any size because they're going to melt when you put them in the lentils. And now we cut our portobello mushrooms into small chunks. Don't worry about being precise because they're going to get melted in the lentils anyway. Now that you're done chopping the mushrooms, add that to the pot of lentils and mix together. Peel one large sweet onion, cut in half, then chop into small chunks. Just add about half a cup to a cup of hot boiling water, then mix the lentils thoroughly. Now go ahead, add your onions, and using a wooden spoon, just mix together. Cut the crustafin in half, cut the center, peel it, and then chop into small chunks. Now we get to add our spices, your turmeric and paprika, bay leaves, then mix into the lentils. Use about 6 to 8 cloves of fresh garlic, peel and then chop finely. Add to the lentils, mix together and allow to continue to simmer. After simmering for about 10 minutes, turn off the fire and place into a round bowl. Divide the crust into equal parts. Take one section of the crust, lightly flour your countertop or pastry slab. If you don't have a rolling pin, chill in a glass bottle. It was actually perfect in rolling out the pastry crust. Scoop about a quarter cup of the lentil filling onto the center of the pastry crust, then fold onto itself. Using a fork, press firmly on the edges to seal the filling inside of the crust. Place on a baking sheet and bake for about 30 to 45 minutes at about 350 degrees or until golden brown. So here you have it. Vegan meat pies made with red lentils, portobello, and shiitake mushrooms. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you guys next week.